Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.